we have 10. Okay, so I'll be presenting first of all, as we usually do, any problem in the last lecture. Exercise 1D, we were doing this. We did two questions that were question number 6 and 7. And I asked you to revise question number 5. Any confusions, if you have any, first we will do those and then move on.
Sir, 5G.
5G part, okay. So this is 9C Amber. Let me change the page color. Drew some lines. Question number 5G part. This is simple. You might be making a mistake in the LCM. 5 divided by x minus 2 equals to minus 4 divided by x minus 2 whole square. Okay, so this is the question. First thing first, what you will be doing is take the LCM and convert the fractions into single fraction. So the LCM on right hand side is x minus 2 whole square. And when there is nothing written, it is understood that this is 1. So divide this number, you get 2 times x minus 2 whole square minus 4. Any confusion till now? Anyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next step, I'm going to cancel these two fractions. X minus 2 cancelled with this square. And for example, we have x by 4 is equals to, suppose we have 7 by 8. 4
Sir,
one
वहाँ
time
x minus 2 कैसे है?
x minus 2 कैसे आया बेटे? क्वेश्चन में था. You took the
Sir,
LCM.
ऊपर.
LCM, you took the LCM. ये सेपरेट भी कर लेते हैं. 2 minus 4 over x minus 2 whole square. This is the right side of the equation. So x minus 2 whole square. When there is nothing written, this is 1. LCM was 1 and this expression is x minus 2 whole square. So when we divide x minus 2 whole square with 1 and we multiply the remaining number with 2, that's how you get this in numerator. This is 2 times x minus 2 whole square. Did you get it now? And on the other
Yes,
side,
sir.
when we divide these two expressions, they cancel out. Remaining number is 1. We multiply 1 with this 4 and you're left with 4. That's how you got this part. Next step was both the denominators are same, but one is with squared number. So we cancel out 1 with this square. The remaining number is 5 equals 2. And may I use the identity a minus b whole square? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So just using this identity for x minus 2 whole square, we get a square minus 2ab plus b square and minus 4, which was already there. And whole of it is divided by x minus 2. Second step would be you cross multiply it here. The only confusion where you would be facing is the denominators and taking the LCM. Remaining is just the elimination and simplification of the question. Now we multiplied this 2 with all these three terms, 1 by 1 with all these three, you get 2x square minus 8x plus 8 and minus 4. Now simplify it. 5x minus 10 equals 2x square minus 8x plus 4. And what are you left with? Then rearrange. 2x square minus 8x plus 4. Take these two numbers on the other side, minus 5x plus 10 is equals to 0. Simplifying 2x square, solve these two numbers. Minus 8 and minus 5 is minus 13x. 4 and 10 is 14. Now, which method will you choose? Out of three, midterm breaking, completing square, or the quadratic formula? Choose one. Whose question was
Quad-
this?
Quadratic formula.
Quadratic formula, that's right, because the answers are in decimals or the numbers are large enough to think for midterm breaking. A is, what is the value of A?
2.
A is 2. What is B?
B is 13 and C is 14.
And C is 14. So using the quadratic formula, minus B plus minus square root B square minus 4AC over 2A. Now plug in the values. This is minus B plus minus square root B square minus 4A was 2, C is 14 divided by 2A. Use your calculators, be with me and share your answers. This is minus B plus
Where should we get the values of A, B, and C?
A, B, and C. Do you remember the general form of the equation? This last very equation, the general form is ax square plus bx plus c. The coefficient of x square is always a. The coefficient of x is always b. The coefficient, the remaining constant is always c. So if you see x square is a, compare these colors. Yellow with yellow, pink with pink, and blue with blue. That's where you're getting these values.
Okay, sir.
This is A, this is B, and this is C. You just have to copy these values and substitute in the formula. Then use your calculators. You have to master your machine as well. Into 2AB is 14 over 2A. That's 2 times 2. So first value, what do you get is negative 1.3625. Up to 2 decimal places, this will be negative 1.36, and then replace it in just a second. This is 5.137, 5.137, and up to 2 decimal places 5.14. Someone kindly confirm this. Have you solved it? If I could show you, this is how you use your calculator. Place all the values in one go. And then replacing the positive sign with the negative one, you get 1.362, and up to 2 decimal places, this is 1.362 decimal place. But is it clear? Question 5G part.
Yes.
Yes.